Hi guys! Looking for the best running smartwatch that can keep up with your active lifestyle and daily routine? You're in the right place. Today on Best Product, we're exploring the Onaniag P110 running smartwatch, a powerful and stylish companion built for fitness and everyday convenience. Let's get started. The Onaniag P110 running smartwatch is designed for people who want more than just a watch. It works as your daily fitness partner, helping you stay aware of your health while keeping you connected at the same time. From tracking your heart rate to monitoring your blood oxygen levels, it gives you useful insights so you can understand your body better and make smarter lifestyle choices. What makes this smartwatch even more helpful is how it keeps track of your sleep. It quietly monitors your rest and gives you a clear idea of your sleep quality so you can improve your habits over time. This is especially useful if you are trying to build a healthier routine or simply want to feel more energized every day. Staying connected is also super easy with the Onaniag P110. You can make and receive calls, read messages, and even control your music directly from your wrist. This means you do not have to constantly check your phone, which is very convenient when you are busy or on the move. It works smoothly with both Android and iOS devices, so you can pair it with most smartphones without any trouble. For fitness lovers, this smartwatch really shines. It supports a wide range of sports modes, from running and cycling to hiking and more. It tracks your steps, distance, and calories in a simple way, helping you stay motivated and reach your goals. And since it is waterproof, you can use it confidently in rain or during intense workouts without worrying about damage. The build quality also stands out. It has a strong metal body that feels durable and ready for tough conditions. At the same time, the large AMOLED screen looks bright and smooth, making everything easy to see and use. You can even customize the watch face to match your style, which adds a personal touch to your device. Battery life is another big plus. With up to several days of use on a single charge, you do not have to keep charging it again and again. It also lights up automatically when you raise your wrist, making it quick and easy to check the time or notifications. If you want a smartwatch that combines fitness, smart features, and durability in one package, this is definitely worth considering. Take control of your health and stay connected with ease. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing gadgets.